Good day and welcome to Kalinga, a province full of story, culture, and tradition that are still alive and proud. Let's explore together the unique culture of Kalinga people, a town that has strong ties to their land, family, and ancestors.
Maligvos ka kat Kalinga, Kalinga Lagunawa. Napipintas kan napapangog tsu, napipigsakan madiskarte tsu. Impapati tsu unanis kuvila, hiju infilin tsu amakan ina.
The tradition tattoo of Kalinga is not only an art but a symbol of strength, beauty, and respect for the ancestor. Through those tattoos, the warriors and women of the Kalinga show their courage and identity.
Sa unang ukujam kasisili unang ibeke mait kanu pulos na tainan napipintas un kailjen asinanin paiti kamu Kalinga un Lagunawa nangangatujun inachal tari.
Waving or laga is an important part of the life of the Kalingas, especially for the women using the box loop. They create colorful fabric that tell a story of the nature, family, and spiritually. Each design has a deep meaning and is passed through to ancestors. The music and dance of Kalingas show unity and happiness. The sound of the gong is a part of every ceremony and celebrating a way of expressing gratitude and joy in life.
Nabako nabas tataan tudbodo ngapya hade
Sa mga pinakamahalagang tradisyon ng Kalinga ay ang bodong, isang kasunduan para sa kapayapaan at paggalang sa bawat isa. Sa pamagitan ng bodong, itataguyod ang pagkakaisa at ang proteksyon ng kanilang mga karapatan, lupa at yaman.
Maligvos ka kat Kalinga, Kalinga Lagunawa. Napipintas kan napapangog tsu,
The Kalinga are known for their excellence in farming, especially in the rice field curved into the mountains. Their rice terraces are not only in livelihood but a symbol of England and their relationship with the nature. Along with every planting, there are rituals and prayers to ask the spirit for grace and protection.
Kanya ti ka-importante ti daga kanya yung manalon.
Kami nga manalon, isurang ti tabjag mi ti talon. Daga, sunga aywanan mi ti daga. Panuawan ti daga, wan ti pakalan mi ti kanan mi nga manalon.
The Kalinga are a living example of how we can proud and keep our traditions. Their culture is a heritage that serves as a guide and inspiration for all. Their story teach us of love, for their nature, family, and unity. Come visit the Kalinga and join in the appreciation their wealth and culture. Let's be proud of the Kalinga heritage for the future generation.